Yo, 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 yo. I don't know why it doesn't even let me have the chat active on the right hand side, but I'm just gonna ignore it for now, man. I would like it to bring my microphone in, but I don't think it is gonna, so that's fine. Let's get on the charts quickly before I end up missing a trade. I would like to see a potential breakdown. We've taken the Asia high by 0.6 pips. Isn't really enough. Have you got any more liquidity above it? Let me just maximize this. Much better. Much better. Okay, so we got London high here from yesterday. We just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relatively equal highs. I'd like to see this go take these highs by at least a solid pip or two. That would be ideal. Let's just do that if there's no chat then. And get to see more of the screen, right? Actually, yeah, I'll do that for now because I don't see any chat. That's fine. These two trades yesterday, oh my god, 16R and 21R. Literally moments after I left the chart. What, I left about half. Yeah, I left here. No, I left on this candle. No, I left here. I think I left at 3:30, and then when I was going for my walk, I looked at about 3:50, 4 o'clock. I think I looked around here. Yeah, 10 past 4. That's where I missed the trade there. Well, it is what it is, they say. I'm just gonna move this over here. That. And actually, you've also got these highs here. And price did come back to take these lows here. So let's see where this goes. If we get a breakdown from here, then we could potentially look at something that's going to GU really quick. GU's looking rather similar. Rather similar indeed. Okay, so that works there. For some reason, it took away my ability to comment. I don't know why. So I'll have to comment on the YouTube side of it. That's annoying, isn't it? I'll have to look into why that doesn't work later on, but let's see here. So we got. Oh. So you got a build up of a channel here. Got a sweep of it. Price pulled up. Failed to make a lower low. Still went on to make a high. Should mean that wasn't a real sweep. This was more of a sweep. So now we've taken Asia high and we've taken this structural high right here, taking it by almost a pip. I prefer when it's at least a pip and a half. That's my preference anyway. Need to find a potential demand zone where traders are going to be looked to getting in. I've got a feeling it's going to be like probably this one here. Might be wrong. So I should be able to trade into there. I hope. Otherwise I'm going to get whacked. One way or another I'm going to learn. So you go and learn today. I'm going to learn today. You know. So we'll see what happens. Let's get a quick screenshot of this for X. Boom, gone. I've put the volume up a bit more so I can enjoy the music, but I've turned it down on here also. Should be alright there. Perfect. And we're playing this back over because this is actually quite good. Right, so where was I? So let's go up onto EU, drop down on GU. Okay, so EU's taking this high now by 2.4 pips. That's much better. Have you got any other highs you could potentially react from? Yes, we got London open highs. So this is why I wait for confirmation trade, because the confirmation entry is basically the easiest way to explain it. Is two breaks of structures, one after another. Ideally, if they tap into the supply that was created previously, that's perfect. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay. Get rid of that. So let me just, yeah, there you go. I just wanted to see that zone there. Now I'm going to put an alert around here. They got some really good things on here. That's funny. I'm trying to. That's 2 pips away. So E and G both got a very similar situation going on. You got a zone above. For me, when I see 2 zones above, I'd look for a confirmation entry, because price might get near it because it could be classed as a resistance zone, and then price can react. So it's good to just kind of keep that in your mind. Now let's look at the yen. Let's get rid of that. Ooh. Oh, you idiot. I forgot about gbpchf. I was looking at the other pairs, weren't I? So that was why. You could basically say it was off of this zone here. 1, 2, 3 highs, relatively equal. Low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. Sell from this zone here. Go on the M1. Gonna refine it further to there. And then I'll recover that high there. And then that would have been a break-even trade already, so I've just missed this one. This one would have already been break-even crossing this zone here, so it would have been a risk-free trade already. Would have taken partials at around potentially this low here. Let's go on the 5-minute. Yeah, taking partials around here, but I prefer around 15. It should have been around there. That'd have been a nice 7.5 bar. You can stay there for now. Let's just see how this goes. Keep an eye on it. Let's go 3 minutes. Probably say this will be classed as the same zone, I guess, right? Oh. There. Well, anyway, gbpjpy. I'm just seeing a build-up of orders right here, so I'd like to see ideally this whole zone getting swiped. What I mean is I'd like to see like price come to do this and then do a big push down, then break structure there, take a trade from this demand zone here, and then at least take Asia high, so probably like to about here somewhere, which would be a comfortable 70 pips, which is pretty much what I account for anyway for my data, which would, yeah, that'd be ideal. Let's keep an eye on that, see how that goes. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna keep it there. I'm gonna keep it there. Yeah. So we've made a higher low. Welcome to the stream, Sarah. Thank you for coming, Sarah. Okay, so we're seeing volume push to the upper side. It's cleared the, you can see in the bottom right corner, it's just cleared the thingy, what's its face, you know. So now it's gonna come take this high. Right, I better go out on the M5 to see where. This could be the only next supply zone where we could get a potential reaction from. Because you broke structure here, we come up here, then we broke here. Yeah. And you know what? We could cover this whole zone actually. That might be M30. Yeah, it is an M30 lol. So if we get build up, inducement into mitigation, that allows us to sell from that zone directly. So we'll just see how that one works. We're close to it. We got potential zone here where we could sell up to. Oh, my neck. Ah. So we'll see how it goes. Also, Sarah, even on my phone, I have one more account. It doesn't do because of the. Yeah, I have one more account on my phone anyway. So yeah. For some reason, I don't know why, yeah, but normally I could chat on my stream, but I have to go to YouTube to chat, and I don't know why it's done that. I'm gonna have to go over the settings later. Okay, so made a high low, made a higher high there. So this trade I would have been break even around here, and there's profit there. ما ده التفاعلي. Okay, that's fine. Let me put Telegram on my. Actually, no, I'll keep Telegram on my phone. I was watching, yeah, the Umar Ibn Khattab series. I'm on episode 5 now, and I'm on the episode where they're talking about how to betray the Prophet and stuff because he's getting too much popular. And so far, the way they show Umar, yani, is like he's really like smart and has too much wisdom, but he's very honest and like he has good values. But the rest of the Quraysh, they're like Majnoon, you know. Yani, they don't even follow their own traditions and stuff, and he was telling them you have to follow your own traditions. And then one of the people said, why are you so tough on the Prophet but then you're so tough on the Quraysh also? He said, we live by good ordeals, yani we live by tradition and stuff like that. If the elders don't follow the tradition and they do the bad things, I'll also challenge them. I was like, oh, so they showed that his sense of justice is strong, you know, his sense of right and wrong. Yeah, so it's really good. Because the Quraysh, they wanted to like get Abu Talib to betray him, and they said, how can you do that? That's not part of our tribe and stuff like that. We don't do these things of betrayal within our family anyway. So how can you go against your own tradition just to try and catch the Prophet? He goes, even that I don't accept the way that you're doing it, you know. Okay, so if I took this trade, it's coming back to the entry zone here. But as I said, it wouldn't have mattered because the entry would have been from this zone here. Price came lower, well, it broke structure from here. Price tapped straight into it from there. We could have taken it from here, and then price broke structure here anyway, so it would have been a break-even trade. So that wouldn't have been a loss, it wouldn't have been a win, it would have just been break-even. I have one friend who comes to my stream sometimes. He's Palestinian. He hasn't come yet. I thought he would have come, but nope, not yet. I should drink water with my right hand, but the problem is my microphone is right here, so I don't want to keep hitting the microphone. Is that all you're gonna say? Aha, aha, aha. At least comment on the YouTube, innit? Because when you put aha, it still helps the algorithm and stuff, you know? Mrs. AI. It is aha, 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 aha. I like it. Aha, 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 aha. I like it. Aha. That's a song. I don't know if you know the song. This is what you're saying here. You just put in the comments. That's all. Because when the stream ends, you can't see the comments anyway. But when you're doing the stream and the comments are happening, yani, it helps like boost, you know, the algorithm, yani. Yeah. You can just type aha in the comments. And then subscribe and then turn off the notifications so then you don't get ping ping ping. But I never stream that much anyway. Hi there. Oh, and Shuri. How come you put your name in there anyway? I just put like Bashy or something. You know, before, like, let me go to this page, yeah. I used to be able to type on the software I'm using now to do the stream, but it don't work. I don't know why. So now I have to go to YouTube to yani give the reply. I don't know why it's done that. Can I make you moderator? Ah, there you look. There, look, I made you moderator. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, moderator. Oh, look, look, look. You have the symbol of the spanner next to you. Mashallah, you're a hard worker, Sarah. You're a hard-working person. I don't even have a spanner. Do I have a spanner? No. I don't even have a spanner. Otherwise, I'd have just shown a spanner and be like, pew, pew, pew. And then it shows Yanni Sarah is working. Oh, why'd the music stop? Oh yeah. I want to do 3 screens. Is there a way to do 3? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. There's a way to do 3. No. AC. Yeah, wicked. 3 screens. Perfect. Okay, this is hard actually. Right, okay, this is perfect. I got 3 screens on one. Oh my god, yes, Sarah, look at this. I'm gonna send you on Telegram. Alhamdulillah, I've got Windows 11. This is the new software, isn't it? So I think it's better because you can do stuff like that. So see on the right screen, I've got 3 separate softwares. The middle one is the one I do the streaming on. The right is one of the trading accounts. The left is the one that shows all of my accounts. So I can see like the money in each account, Yani. On the right screen. Yeah. I didn't know if I could do 3 screens or not. Oh no! Did I show you the picture of how much? Oh yeah, I did show you. Okay, wait a second. So EU's just taken this high here by 0.3. I want it to go higher. Aha, wait a second. We have this zone up here, don't we? How much further is this zone? Another 7-8 pips. Ooh. I might wait for this zone. Ooh, mumkin. Ooh. Wow, what's funny? Why are you laughing, eh? Huh? You laughing on me? Why are you laughing on me? At you. Oh, okay. Why you laugh at me? Whoa, what the hell? I do nothing wrong, Yanni. I do nothing wrong. You know, nothing wrong. But something. But what something? Something, what? Okay, so GBPJPY, it's really stuck. Look at that, so slow. It's not going up, it's not going down. After this, depending if I take a trade or not, I'm gonna go for a walk again, and then after the walk, depending if I'm in time for New York, yani New York session is 4 p.m. Egypt time until 6 p.m. Egypt time. Depending what happens, I might read some Quran if you want to, you know. It's your choice, obviously. If you're free. Obviously, if you're not free, that's fine, because obviously you might be busy with family, you know, or something like that. Wait a second. So on EU, we got the supply zone just above it here. What we got on GU? What time exactly? Probably I'm gonna go for a walk after this, yeah? I'm gonna be here for maybe another 1 hour and 30 minutes. If I do take a trade, it might be longer depending when I finish the trade. Mungkin after 6 p.m. Egypt time, so maybe like 6:30 or something like that. In Egypt, yani. Obviously, I'll message you anyway. Oh, this zone's been mitigated already, so the likelihood of it taking it is more. Yeah, I'll message you anyway, and then if you can, that's fine. If you can't because you're busy with family or whichever, that's also fine, you know. So يعني ليست مشكلة or ما فيش مشكلة. Oh, listen, I watched a video on something quite interesting. It's a guy basically who goes to different countries, and he goes to a lot of Muslim countries. He's American, I think he lives in Dubai, and he went to Lebanon, and he's asking the Lebanese people about the country. And he went like recently, so even after like the bombing and like the problems and stuff. And he asked them, how is dating in Lebanon? The women said there's too many gay men. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Oi. The women like, oh, that is too many gay men. I was like, what the hell? What the hell? Yeah, I did the same thing. My face was like, what? And then wallahi, in 5 minutes later, you see a Lebanese man and he's sitting like this, look. Like that. And then you can see he is like, you know. Yeah, you know, you can see. Yani, it's obvious, you know. It was really funny, wallah. It was quite hilarious. He did one on Syria. Syria was really good. So he drove to Syria from Lebanon. Okay, so this trade here would have been a break-even trade because prices just come back to tag that zone. So that trade would have been break-even. Just get go to M5. You need a lot of sabr in this job, you know, Sarah. Yani, you need a lot of sabr. So if I'd taken this trade here, it would have been a break even, which is no win, no profit, just zero money lost, zero money made. They call it break even. ਤੁਹਾਡੀ Lana was in a voice room yesterday, and there was a Libyan guy there. There was a Jewish host, so Jewish voice room, and Yani Israeli, and he was making the Afghanistan make fight with the Libyan. The Libyan is Sunni, the Afghani is a Shia, and the room is hosted by a Israeli. Yani, they were fighting in the voice room, and I was just thinking, Yani, he's maybe sitting laughing, looking how they fight each other, you know? And Lana was in the room, so I went, and then I was sitting, and then I was just looking, and I was thinking, like, so much stupid, man. He's laughing, ha ha, look, they fight each other, they are so stupid, ha ha. He's probably thinking that, you know. But fitna. What's the meaning of that again? The actual meaning, isn't it to cause like arguments or something like that? Fitna, I forgot. I should pull my yeah. Well, actually, you know what? Let's get my Arabic notes. أنا أتعلم العربية فصحى. أنا أتفق. Huh? Oh, أنا أتفق is I agree. أنا أتفق معك. أنا أتفق معك. أنا أتفق معك is I agree with you. Ah, yes. Sorry, I just thought whilst you're here, I'm just gonna have to wait. I want to play different music, yani, but I can't in case like the video gets like reported or something for the music, you know. I wanted to play Hamza Nari Fadi Shway. Actually, I'm just gonna play it once. Yeah, copyright, sah. I'm gonna play it once and then hopefully in the video it doesn't get caught. No, that's Dari. Not Dari, not Dari. La 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 la. You know, my computer become a little bit slow now because of all these things. Put the volume up as well. Yeah, Hamza Namira, he's Egyptian. I like this song a lot, yani, it's so cute. See, I like songs like this, yani, because they're latif, you know. His voice is really nice also. It's like a nice voice, like smooth and soft, you know. He sounded like a Lebanese. Boy not gay. Boy not gay. Sah, it's you have English translations, so I was listening. And leave the laughter's bill on me. Oh, the song. Wait, when he does the lyrics, I'll say the lyrics, yani. Life's wave is selfish and high, and you're alone and I still have a life to live with you, just be it a day. Okay, as you wish, but bet me over a day from you and years from you that you don't know how to swim. And don't worry, it's fine. Listen to me at this time. It's not a time for reproach or blame. What's the matter if we returned once again, and instead of being on your own, you support me with you and we stand up? Oh, so Latif. Are you free for a little bit? Go for a drink of coffee in a faraway place. Yani, the song is so much cute. I'll play it one more time and then I'll stop. I wouldn't even mind listening to Nat and Nasheed from Sami Yusuf, but I don't even know if they get banned, you know? I'm not sure. Yani, Sami Yusuf make a really good Nat and Nasheed, you know? Have you ever heard any songs, any Nat or Nasheed from Sami Yusuf? Yeah, I like him a lot. Did you know that he's Persian? He's actually Irani, but he's a Sunni, so it's okay. Hasbi Rabbi Allah, Allahu Allah. I like Ya Nabi. Ya Nabi was good also by Sami. Ya Nabi. That was really good as well. He's got another one I like. 1 second, let me find it. Oh, I found a video here. How Morocco crushed its left. I'm gonna watch that later on. Sounds political. What was I gonna do? Oh, playlists. Yasami. I like Khorasan. Khorasan's good as well. And Must Calendar. And Glorification. And Janne Janan. That's good as well. Sari Gali. Oh, Sari Gali, so much good. And Supplication. Supplication's also good. No, because I'm waiting for okay, so on EU I'm waiting for price to come to the supply zone. Now it's come into this zone. I need it to break. I need it to come below this low. But it's just keep going higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So Yani, I'm just waiting, you know. And this, I'm a bit confused on this one. This one I'm a bit confused. Yani, this is British pound and Euro pound. These two are normally exactly the same. So this one's come to a supply zone, but this one's like, I don't know, it's a bit tricky, you know. I wanted to take a buy on gbpjpy, but I don't like how the price is doing this, like slowly, you know. Yalla, let's play 1-2 Nato Nasheeds. I like Khorasan, that's so good. Let me play that. Please no YouTube adverts. Please no YouTube adverts. Thank you. Listen his voice. Listen his voice. The Lublani will become gay for him. That was funny, come on. You know, during Ramadan, I only listen to this. This is a playlist I make. I only listen to this playlist during Ramadan. Khorasan. I think Khorasan is a word in Farsi. ممكن.
Can you guide me to the treasures I have lost? Can you show
Maher Zain, he's okay. I'm a big fan of Sami. Asked me where I had come from.
You said my
Homeland was my kingdom all along. This is so good, this one, wallah, so good. Right, now is 9 o'clock. The only other time something can happen is 9:30. Oh. There. I'm just marking 9:30 on the chart. Because price may want to do take all of this liquidity and then go higher, and then mumkin 9:30 you come here and then sell. That's likely. That's quite likely. I forgot. This one is really good. Which one shall I play next? Hasbi Rabi, yeah? Ooh, look, it's broke. I'll do glorification. This one's also quite nice. This one's good. This one's really good.
the high heavens exalt your name, from which timeless glory from your dwelling bounteous one, eternal gift of plenty, omniscient, just
It's okay, it's okay, it's fine.
I'll judge in all your glory.
We're seeing a break to the downside.
The sky, as you nurture us here on earth, in your warmth we glorify. You sent messengers to us, Lord, revealing your word and light. You taught the scared above the sword. Your justice is all men's right.
How do I wake up early? I could have gotten into this long here, man. I'm also thinking the thing I can do now is short 2 here. I don't think I'm gonna find anything. Wow, the price action's so bad. GU's coming to that invalid zone, should give a reaction from here, but I want to come sweep that high, deeper levels into that supply zone on EU, sweep the high on GU, and then potentially come for a move down. That's what I'd like to see, but I suppose if it takes London high, then it's a break of structure to the upper side, isn't it? M1 is not easy. M1 is what? Not easy. That's another zone you could potentially take a trade from, but I'm just gonna wait to see what happens around 9:30. We're coming to 9:30 now, so we're gonna see what it does. Beautiful, that zone got whacked. man, the price action is so bad. Generally, the price action is so bad today. I don't know if you're looking, Alan, but price is a bit crappy today, man. Right, around 9:30 now, so let's see what happens. Now, if I see a break of a lower high, lower high, lower low to a high high and a high low, bro, I'm telling you, that's going to be a long opportunity right there. Still want to keep going lower. The only other place we got where it could potentially take a move from is here. Yeah, about there. In the middle of Asia. There or around here. So let's just do another one then. Just have to see where it gives a reaction, that's all. Wherever it happens is wherever it happens, you know. And get rid of that. And get rid of that. Get rid of that. So if this was buys, it'd be build up, inducement, break structure, but it's not. Instead, it's build up, 1, 2, 3 here, inducement there, flew straight down here, pull back up there to fill the gap, come down there. So I don't know. This is probably the M1. There's so many opportunities. You have to be so careful of what you choose. Just gonna wait and see. Best thing a guy can do is wait. Right, so we went through this one. So that you can see the structure on here. Lower high, lower high. I suppose you could say lower high that led to a lower low, that led to a lower high, that led to a lower low on the M2. I'm just sitting and waiting now. On the yen, I just like to see a shift in the momentum to the upper side. Now that we've created all of this here, all of that there. Looks like we might be out of a potential trade because it's 9:45. Oh my god, I'm a blind bat. Lol. That's funny still. Yeah. There's that trade there. So high, low, left to high, low, left to low, high, left to low, low, left to supply zone there. So yeah, there was a trade there. Why did I not see that? I'm not sure why. Clearly some type of reason there why I did not see that. Don't know why I didn't see that. Yeah, that was a clear zone. Why did I not take that? I don't know. I'll have to go. This is why you do a live stream. And you make a blunder. Yo, big boy, why are you dancing? Oh, Rahib bhai. Oh, Rahib bhai. Long time no see, bro. How you doing, bro? You still trading or not? Teach me? No, bro. You're too good. You teach me. I want to learn how to make a 50 trades in one day. Yalla, teach me. you've been busy, yeah, man. Very busy. I've been learning Arabic and studying the Quran and stuff like that, to be honest, Rahib, bro. So I've been busy. And then obviously I'll be trading with like my friends and stuff as well, you know. Allahumma barik. Yeah. Give some signals. No, bro, it's M1. You don't have time to give signals. By the time you send the signal, the trade already happened. Wallah, bro. You can't even send signals on trading. It's impossible when you're doing M1. You know this already. Well, there's the EU short here. I was looking for this zone here. Didn't realize they made another structural low for the supply zone to be there. So, you're better off just looking at me on the stream, and then when I miss something, you take the something I miss. Best way, bro. Yeah. This is where I wanted to sell from here, but then it happened and then it did that instead. But I don't know why I didn't take it. I'm not sure. I think I didn't notice it or something. Have you passed any accounts yet or not? Up here. If price comes back up here, bro, it's gonna take the high. Because look at that. You've got much deeper levels of a supply zone above it. So I don't think sells are gonna work from there. I think this was the best zone for sells here. You enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, break even, done. My story is different. As you wish, bro. About prop firm. What do you mean? You don't trade anymore on prop firms or what? What do you mean? Yeah, you're doing the same problem you have before, bro. You're the same. Oh yeah. Bro, I'm about done anyway. 10-15 more minutes just to make sure, and then alas, I'm done. See you, bro. Assalamu alaikum. Bye. If I'd woke up earlier, I could have literally caught that into there, but woke up late and it started the stream late as well. We didn't take the high, didn't take the low, we're stuck in that zone there. Stuck in between here. We need to get out that zone. Right, I'm gonna end the stream there because I doubt anything's gonna happen in 2 minutes. So this trade here, didn't take it. Think I was late. Break even trade. And this trade here, obviously I missed out on it because there's 3 zones. Let's just do a quick recap on it. So you had this zone here where I wanted price to come to sell from there. So you got that zone there. I'm just gonna put this smaller so that zone there as well as looking. And then you had this zone here. And then I didn't even pay attention to this zone right here, which is the one that actually did end up tapping because it's the most recent one. So yeah, that zone was invalid because you had the high, the extreme one there, the first one there, then you had this middle zone, then you had the bottom zone. So that one would have been the one to go for. I don't know why I didn't take that. I'm gonna literally end the stream and watch it back and figure out why I didn't take that. So I'm gonna go back to, what's that, 9:15, 9:20. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to about 9:20 and then have a look at the stream, find out why I didn't take that. But anyway, with this I would have expected, as per data, on EU is normally about 25 pips is kind of the most I would go. So that'd have been my max TP, and then the partials would have probably been around 12.5, probably just half of that, so about 10, 12. Yeah, even 10 pips would have been good. Is 5R or 11 pips, 12 pips, 6R, 12 point. Yeah, it would have been around 10 to 12, 13 pips ish. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep that on the chart because I'm curious to see where it goes. Where's 11:30? 11:30 is goodbye. Yeah, I expect price to probably come down realistically to about here, and then potentially go up again. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks anyway. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you to everyone who came and commented. Thank you to those who come and I didn't notice if you came or not. Thank you. Cheers. Bye. Oh wait, I'll be on tomorrow at the same time. Earlier, hopefully. I'm hoping to be on earlier. I'm going to try and wake up for 6:30, be on the stream for 7:15 in case I end up missing another move like this. It's just waking up at 6:37 in the morning is so hard. But that's my plan. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.